Hi everyone, welcome back to Hand Characters. It's MC here. Today we're going to talk about characters. We'll go deep into character 就 and 新 to see how they formed, the meaning behind it, and how to use it. Let's get started. Okay, character 就, it means begun, used, old, and former. By looking into the components, we can see there's a 日 clearly. So 日 means sun. Also day. So when sun goes up and down, it's one day. So 日 is sun and day. And this stroke 数, it represents all the things which happened before the sun rising, or all the things happened before today. So this character means things happened before, or things existed before. So it's used, old, begun, former. The opposite character to 就 is character 新. 新, it means new, fresh, up to date. It seems a little complex, but it's actually very easy to understand. By looking into the components, there is a 亲, 亲, which means relation, relative, and intimate. For example, 亲人, your family members, 亲戚, your relatives, and 亲爱的, honey, dear. And this part, it's a 斤, 斤. You might know it's a unit of weight. For example, 两斤, 三斤. However, its original meaning, it's axe, chopper. Even though nowadays we use 斧子 as chopper, but by looking to the character 斧, you can still see a 金 on the bottom, and the 斧, it's a phonetic roll, so it's pronounced 斧, 斧子. It's nowadays chopper, but 金 itself has the meaning of axe, chopper. So link them together. When you use the chopper to cut relations between things, people, or feelings, that's when you can start over, start a new journey. So a chopper cuts relations to start a new journey. So 新 means new, fresh. Let's take a few examples. 这件衣服太旧了，我需要买一件新的。这件衣服太旧了，我需要买一件新的。当你想要换新手机的时候，很多品牌都会回收旧手机。当你想要换新手机的时候，很多品牌都会回收旧手机。回收 means recycle. 回收旧物 recycle used stuff. 回收旧手机 recycle used cell phones. Alright, hope this will help you to understand and memorize 新 and 旧 quickly. More Chinese character learning courses are linked below. Check it out, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!